Want to create custom indicators and strategies on TradingView, but intimidated by pinescript coding? This tutorial breaks down pinescript basics into simple, digestible concepts that anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you'll understand pinescript structure, basic syntax, and how to read and modify pinescript code confidently. What is pinescript? Pinescript is TradingView's proprietary programming language designed specifically for creating custom indicators, strategies, and alerts. It's lighter and simpler than traditional programming languages like Python or JavaScript. Pinescript focuses on what traders need: price calculations, technical indicators, and strategy logic. With pinescript, you can build custom RSI variations, unique moving average systems, automated trading strategies, and completely original technical indicators tailored to your trading style. Pinescript structure. Every pinescript follows a simple structure. First, the version declaration. This tells TradingView which pinescript version you're using. Currently, version 6 is the latest standard. Next comes the script declaration, either indicator for custom indicators or strategy for trading systems. This defines what type of script you're building. Then you have inputs. These are the customizable parameters users can adjust. Think RSI period, moving average length, or overbought and oversold levels. Finally, the calculation and plotting logic. This is where you define your indicator calculations and how they display on the chart. Let's understand basic syntax. Variables in pinescript are simple. Just assign values using the equals sign. For example, RSI value equals ta.rsi, close 14 calculates a 14-period RSI. Pinescript has built-in functions for common indicators: ta.rsi for RSI, ta.sma for simple moving average, ta.ema for exponential moving average. These handle complex calculations automatically. The plot function displays your calculations on the chart. Plot, RSI value, draws the RSI line. You can customize colors, line width, and style with simple parameters. Conditional logic uses if statements just like natural language. If RSI value greater than 70 means when RSI is above 70. Use these for buy and sell signals and strategy conditions. Let's read a complete simple script together. This is a basic RSI indicator with overbought and oversold levels. Line 1, version 6 declaration. Line 2, indicator titled My RSI. Line 3, input for RSI period, default 14. Line 4, calculate RSI using the input period. Lines 5 to 7, plot RSI line and horizontal levels at 70 and 30. That's it. 7 lines of code create a functional custom indicator. Now here's the revolutionary part. While understanding pinescript basics is valuable, you don't need to code from scratch anymore. pinegenai generates professional pinescript code instantly from natural language descriptions. Simply describe your indicator or strategy in plain English and get complete, functional pinescript code in seconds with live preview and backtesting. No syntax memorization required. Whether you're coding manually or using pinegenai, remember these tips. Start simple and add complexity gradually. Test on historical data before live trading. Use TradingView's built-in functions whenever possible. They're optimized and reliable. You now understand pinescript fundamentals, structure, syntax, and basic concepts. Whether you code manually or use pinegenai's instant generation, you're equipped to create powerful custom trading tools. Subscribe for more pinescript tutorials and trading insights, and happy analyzing!